Everyone in San Francisco would always talk about the Spa Nordstrom in San Francisco. So the Spa Nordstrom in San Francisco was at the top of the Nordstroms, and that Nordstrom's in San Francisco love is what, 6 levels? 6. And so you would go up to the top, very luxury, and I had never been there before, so I didn't tell anybody I was an esthetician. I just went in there. And so when I went in there, I didn't know at that time that Spa Nordstrom was VIP. They literally treated you like a VIP, right? So I'm just going in there. I checked in. My name is Stephanie Laynes. I'm just coming for my service. They said, Olga will be right with you. Just go ahead and have a seat. And I said, okay, sure. Olga came. She was a little Hungarian woman. And she said, hi, Miss Laynes. I will be your personal person today. Personal who? She said, I'm your person. Okay. So would you follow me? And of course, she had her hand behind her back. And she came in, took me into the locker room, and she said, so let me show you exactly what you're going to do. Now, I'm just coming in there to come in there. I didn't expect to have a person. I went in, she showed me my robe and my slippers and everything, and I said, oh, Lord. She said, come out the door when you're ready. I did everything. I came out the door, and there was this huge mood lounge. And she said, if you would like to have a seat, what kind of drink would you like? We have infusions. I said, what's the most popular? And she gave it to me. Olga went and got a huge bowl, and she walked over to me, and I'm thinking, what is she doing with this bowl? And she laid it at my feet and took my feet and rubbed stones and oils and dipped it. And I'm with the tea. She said, this is to get you relaxed for your service. I said, oh, this isn't the service? She said, no, I'm preparing you for the service. Well, go ahead, honey. That was 15 minutes that she just loved on my feet. She dried my feet. She said, I'm going to take you to your therapist now. Oh, okay. We went on down, and at that time I was getting a body wrap or a body scrub, something. Came in there, and at this Spa Nordstrom, one side of the wall is the shower. So you end your service with the shower. So the whole wall is a shower. And they have all of the products that they want to sell you decorated in the shower, so you can choose whatever you want. So I'm in there looking. She said, no, go ahead. We went through the service. And, you know, they just scrubbed me, honey. And they flipped you over. I love that treatment. When it was done, she ushered me into the shower. I chose what I wanted to use. When I got out, Olga was standing right there. Hi, Miss Laynes. Hello. The reason I say that story is because, one, I didn't expect it. And two, all of their services on that menu went exactly that way, whether you got a facial or not, whether you got a body treatment, whether you had a pedicure or manicure. Everybody that walked into this Spa Nordstrom, and they don't do this anymore, but everyone that walked in had that level of service. Do you think I rebooked? Do you think they had a waiting list? Do you think they had to advertise that? So what are we doing then?